Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove stored login information from Mac OS. Click Go, Utilities. Click Keychain Access. Right-click Stored Login Information. Click Delete. Click Delete. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.